Hello everyone, welcome to my video. In this video, I'm going to talk about AI. Yeah, one of AI that maybe can help you in your writing. So let's check it out. Well, this is Explain Paper. Yeah, that is one of AI that maybe can help you in your writing. And how it works? It's a piece of cake. Why I say that? Because you only need to upload the paper in a PDF form, and then maybe in the paper there is a text that makes you confused or you're really hard to understand it, and you highlight the text that makes you confused, and voila, you get an explanation. So in the next video, I'm going to show you the tutorial to log in this application. First, open your Google Chrome and then go to the search column and type explainpaper.com and click enter. Click explain paper. This. If you are newbie in this application, welcome. And this is the dashboard that we're using for the first time. And next, click start for free in here. Here, click this button. Well, in this page, you are asked to log in with your email or your Google account. Click the button, sign in with Google account. Yeah, wait. So, choose your Google account that you want to use in this application. Click this one. And well, if your page view like this, it means you're success to log in this application. Then click this to upload a file that you want to get more explanation. Next, after click upload PDF, you're asked to choose one PDF file that you want to get more explanation. And then click this button. Well, the file will show you like this. There are three features like the paper, the chat, and explain. In this application, goes using free feature, so we only get explanation. For the paper and the chat, should be upgrade to use it. If you want to use it, you should upgrade. Well, I will show how to use it. For example, I don't understand about this sentence. I highlight the sentence and then the explanation will appear in this column. Not only the explanation, but you also get related resources from this application. So I think that's all, and I hope this video can be helpful for you, especially for your writing. See you next video. Bye.